So here, number one is financial management fundamentals. What is the primary objective of financial management? And how does it influence decision making in a company? Provide an example to support your explanation. Okay, the answer is the primary objective of financial management is maximizing shareholder wealth. Influence on decision making. One is help in investment decision like selecting profitable projects. Second is guides financing decisions like choosing debt versus equity. And the third is affect dividend policies. For example, a company may choose to reinvest profits into high return projects instead of paying large dividends, increasing share value over time.
2. Time value of money or TVM. Explain the concept of the time value of money or TVM and its importance in financial decision making. How does TVM affect investment and financing decision? Answer. The time value of money or TVM states that money today is worth more than the same amount in the future due to its earning potential. This principle is crucial in investment and financing decisions, as companies must consider inflation, interest rates, and opportunity cost when making financial plans. Affected on decision. First, investment. Business prefer projects with higher present values. Second, financing. Companies assess loan repayment schedules based on discounted future cash flow. Third, solving for interest rates, time periods, and payment amounts in both single payment and multiple payment scenarios. Fourth, use in loan amortization and investment valuation.
Number 3, capital budgeting techniques. Compare and contrast net present value and internal rate of return as capital budgeting techniques. Which one is more reliable for decision making and why? The answer is net present value. Calculate the total value a project will add to the company by discounting future cash flow to their present value and subtracting the initial investment. If NPV is positive, the project is considered profitable and should be accepted. Next, internal rate of return. On the other hand, in the discount rate that makes the NPV of a project equal to zero, if the IRR is higher than the company required rate of return, cost of capital, the project is considered a good investment. Although both methods are useful, NPV is more reliable for decision making because it provides a direct measure of value creation in absolute monetary terms rather than a percentage return. 2. It does not have the multiple IRR issue which can occur in projects with unconventional cash flow. 3. It assumes reinvestment at the cost of capital, which is more realistic assumption than IRR reinvestment at its own rate. The last, it considers project size, making it better for comparing projects with different investment amounts. If there is a conflict between NPV and IRR, NPV should be prioritized because it gives a clear picture of the project financial benefit to the company. Number 4, financial ratio analysis. A company has current asset of 500,000 and current liabilities 250,000. Calculate the current ratio and interpret the result. And if the company has an inventory of 100,000, calculate the quick ratio and explain its significance. The answer is the information that we get are current asset 500,000, current liabilities 250,000, and the inventory 100,000. Current ratio formula is current asset divided by current liabilities. 500,000 divided by 250,000 equals 2.0. A current ratio of 2.0 means the company has twice the current asset compared to its liabilities, indicating strong short-term liquidity. It suggests the company can comfortably cover its short-term obligation. Next, quick ratio. Quick ratio formula is current asset minus inventory divided by current liabilities. 500,000 minus 100,000 divided by 250,000 equals 400,000 divided by 250,000 equals 1.6. The quick ratio excludes inventory, making it more conservative measure of liquidity. A ratio of 1.6 indicates the company still has sufficient liquid asset, excluding inventory, to cover its short-term liabilities. A ratio above 1 is generally considered good.
The fifth question, Capital Asset Pricing Model or CAPM. Given the following information, risk-free rate equals to 4%, market return equals to 10%, beta of the stock equals to 1.5. Use the CAPM formula to calculate the expected return of the stock. Interpret the result. The answer, expected return equals to risk minus free rate plus beta times market return minus risk-free rate. Risk-free rate equals to 4%, market return equals to 10%, beta equals to 1.5. Expected return equals to 4% plus 1.5 times 10% minus 4% equals to 4% plus 1.5 times 6% equals to 4% plus 9% equals to 13%.
For number 6 is short-term financing decisions. For section 2, number 6 is short-term financing decisions XYZ Ltd. XYZ Ltd needs $100,000 in short-term financing to cover operational costs. The company has two options. First is bank loan, interest rate of 12% per annum. For factoring, immediate cash at 5% discount on total receivables, equivalent to 100,000 in receivable. Requirements: A. Calculate the cost of financing for each options. B. Based on financing considerations, which option is preferable? Justify your decision with calculation and reasoning. XYZ Ltd needs 100,000 in short-term financing. Two options. First is bank loan, 12% interest per annum. For cost financing, 100,000 times 12% equals to 12,000. For the company pays 12,000 in interest, meaning the total repayment is 112,000. 2. Factoring 5% discount on total receivables, amount 100,000. For cost of factoring is 100,000 times 5% equals to 5,000. The company lost 5,000 but gets immediate cash of 95,000. Next is which option is preferable? Factoring is cheaper, 5,000 loss versus 12,000 loan interest. However, factoring reduces receivable, potentially affecting customer relationship. If the company needs quick cash with less cost, factoring is better. But if company wants to maintain full control over receivable and can afford interest payments, the loan is preferable. The financial recommendation: if cost minimization in the priority, we can choose factoring. If cash flow stability is preferred, we can choose bank loan.